Hey guys, this is Jay of All Trades. Welcome to my review of the Avanti AV-100. This thing is designed to spray paint, thin paint, stains, varnishes. It's pretty good. So I want to do a review on it right now. I had the privilege of using this over the weekend for my daughter's playset. Right now you can see it at Harbor Freight, 80 bucks. Not too bad. What can I say? This thing works, you know. As you can see when I'm painting there, it's so easy to just spray on this stain on the decking wood. And it did a pretty good job, if you ask me. I was a little bit skeptical at first because I see really high quality sprayers out there. And I just wanted something where I could just use for a project really quick and just around the house. So this is the box right here for the AV-100. You have to use it, by plugging it in. It's not, fully portable, so you have to have some sort of electricity available. Um, as you can see, it has 1.5 quart of stuff that you can put in that container there. You got vertical pattern spray, you got horizontal pattern spray, and you got the cone pattern spray. You could use water-based or oil-based paints or stains. You can, do a very nice clean finish versus having, brush strokes all over your stuff. So I really like this thing because it just does a clean job. And it gets it done in a fairly quick time. I mean, just look at that. Right now, I think I saved probably about, I want to say 2.5 times the amount of time that it would have taken me to actually hand paint this thing. Even with a roller brush, I think this thing just beats it out. Altogether, I would rate it I would say a 3.5 to a 4 out of 5. And as you can see, this filter might periodically need to be changed because I noticed that some paint did get on that part. But overall, the controls here on the handle and everything else have been pretty easy, very easy to adjust. You can actually set this thing up to just continuously spray without you actually having to press this thing down. So I do like that feature. It gives you a lot of options there when it comes to just, making things easier if you're painting a fence or something. You don't have to just keep stopping. For me, it was just easier just using the sprayer by pulling the trigger on my own for what I was doing. But you could definitely lock it in place and you could just paint just the way you want it. So as you can see, it's very compact, it's lightweight, and it's handheld. So I really like it a lot. It runs on 120 volts at 4 amps, so doesn't really pull that much power. It's got 2-finger trigger for easier operation and for less fatigue over long periods. It has a variable flow trigger, which delivers precise control over all the material output. And overall, I think the motor is high performance and it runs when the trigger is activated for less noise and longer life. So I'll definitely recommend it if you have like some small projects or just, other projects around the house that you just want to do where you don't want to go out and spend a ton of money on a professional sprayer, but you want something that'll get the job done, get it done quick, and make it look really good at the end. So overall, I think you should go out there and get it if you are a homeowner, and it'll get the job done for you. So thank you for watching, and happy painting to you.